Welcome to Universitas Terbuka. Universitas Terbuka, or UT, is the 45th State University of Indonesia, launched on September 4, 1984. The head office is located at Pondok Cabe, South Tangerang, and is spread over 16 hectares. As the central university campus, Universitas Terbuka emphasizes the importance of professional concept and advanced technology, while at the same time preserving green spaces and a natural environment. As a pioneer and innovator of distance higher education, Universitas Terbuka has 39 regional offices throughout Indonesia, and one dedicated for students living overseas. The adoption of a flexible learning system allows UT students to learn wherever they are and whenever it suits them. UT provides learning opportunities for all individuals to higher education. Universitas Terbuka provides high-speed broadband and dedicated workstations for its staff in order to serve its students in Indonesia and across the globe. UT's head office is composed of several main units. These are the Information Communication Technology Unit. This is responsible for information and communication technology management, which involves network management systems and application development information, as well as communication technology. The Multimedia Development Center is responsible for content development for teaching through creating imagery, animation, audio, video production, and more. The Learning Material Distribution Center is responsible for managing all the daily activities of a centralized distribution center and warehouse. The library is responsible for the development, selection, and maintenance of the learning material collection, and the ordering, processing, and cataloging of all library materials. The Examination Center is responsible for the organization and administration of examinations. The Rectorate building contains the offices of the Rector and Vice-Rectors. The Bureau of Finance, General Affairs and Partnership is responsible for carrying out financial affairs and the university's planning, administration and management. The Bureau of Student Administration and Planning takes care of academic and administrative services, including a contact center that serves the needs of students. The core teaching and learning functions of the university are conducted through 4 faculties. These faculties offer diploma, bachelor, master, and doctoral programs. These faculties are the Faculty of Economics, the Faculty of Law, Social and Political Sciences, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Education and Teacher Training. At present, Universitas Terbuka has a student body of just over 350,000 from every corner of Indonesia and more than 50 other countries. Universitas Terbuka, making higher education open to all.